Are you looking for new ways to make money online? Well, if you've stumbled upon this video, then chances are that you are. Well, I have a way for you to be able to do that, and all you need is a cell phone or a computer with internet access to get started. This video is going to be packed full of platforms that you can use to help you earn money online, and there are 10 of them, so there's bound to be at least one that you can use. These sites can help you start earning at least $100 per day, and the best part is that these platforms are so flexible that if you want to keep your full-time job and make some extra money on the side, then these are great options for you. Keep listening so that you can find out more about how you can use these platforms to your advantage and start making cash this second.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
So if you don't already know, there are two different ways of making money online. The first way is called active income. This is income that you need to exert effort to obtain, so basically you only get paid for the work that you do. If you don't work, then you don't earn anything. This is the most traditional way that most people earn money just because they think it's how they can earn more. And the next way to earn money is called passive income. This is a really cool and not as well-known way to be able to make money. So to earn money passively, you only need to put in work at the beginning, and then eventually you can just watch the money roll in without needing to do anything else. That being said, let's get into how you can make money through different online platforms. The first site that I'm going to share with you today is Upwork.com. So Upwork is a platform where you can make active income. It's basically a marketplace for freelancers that can link you up with businesses that are looking to outsource work, and then you get paid for your services. There are a lot of different categories of work like video editing, coding, article writing, and the list goes on and on. You do need to have at least basic skills in a field to get hired for jobs on Upwork, but it is relatively easy to manage, and once you get your foot in the door, it gets easier to land more jobs. If you really want to land a lot of jobs on here, I'd suggest really vamping up your profile and making it really impressive. Highlight any experience that you might have in the category that you're looking to pursue, and display some of your best projects so that the businesses can see that you're experienced, and then they'll want to hire you. Now we move on to platform number 2, which is one that you're already familiar with if you're watching this video, YouTube. So some people don't know that you can actually make money with YouTube. Now, it's not something that you can expect to start earning money right off the bat because of YouTube's policy changes. So to be able to start monetizing your videos, you'll need to have at least 40,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months to be able to start earning anything. So once your channel gets monetized though, you can actually make a pretty good amount of money. Now you may be wondering just how much you can earn on here, and it really depends on your content, how often you upload your videos, and how long your videos are. The longer the videos, the better. You can make anywhere from $1 to thousands of dollars on YouTube. This is a really good way to make passive income because as your videos collect views, you can make more and more money. Another way to make money with YouTube is to land sponsorships, and to do this, you do have to have a pretty big following. You should have at least 10,000 subscribers to start looking into getting sponsors for your videos. Now, platform number 3 is going to be Amazon.com. Amazon pretty much sells anything that you can think of, from toys, books, makeup, clothes, you name it, and Amazon probably has it. I bet you didn't know that you can actually make money with Amazon though. So there are actually multiple ways to be able to do this, and the first way to be able to do this is through Amazon Mechanical Turk. I bet you didn't even know this was a thing because even I didn't until I started researching for this video. So Mechanical Turk is a lot like Upwork, and on here businesses pay you to do things that are too difficult for computers to be able to do. Things like transcribing audio, translating audio, testing web pages, stuff like that. So there are so many things that you can do on Amazon Mechanical Turk to earn money, and there's bound to be something that fits into what you have skills for. You can make $20 or $30 just for completing tasks on here, and it's really good money. This is an active way to make money though, so if you don't do anything, you won't actually earn any money. Now, another way to be able to earn money through Amazon is Amazon Kindle publishing. So you just need to have an ebook that you can sell, you publish it on Amazon, and then you can start making money. If you aren't a writer, you can actually hire someone else to write for you, but of course that would mean shelling out some money. If you happen to be a good writer yourself though, this is a great place to be able to publish your books and earn some money. You don't need to be a professional author or even have a publisher to be able to start earning through Amazon Kindle, so it's a really great platform. Amazon takes care of all the promotion stuff like that, and all you need to do is sit back, relax, and start watching the money roll in. It's a really good way to score yourself some passive income. Some people are able to make over $100,000 just by publishing ebooks. If you like writing, then this is probably something that you're going to want to look into. And another way to be able to earn money on Amazon is to become one of their associates. This is probably one of the most well-known ways to make money on Amazon aside from actually becoming a seller. All you need to do is sign up for an Amazon Associates account and then start promoting products from Amazon. You can pick the products that you want to promote, then grab a special link from Amazon to share, and once someone clicks on the link and buys the product, then you get a commission. Each commission is anywhere from 5 to 10% of each sale, and Amazon pays you 60 days after you make the sale. You can choose to either get paid through Amazon gift cards or through bank transfer, and this option is only available in the US, but if you live outside the US, you can also choose to get paid through check. It's completely free to sign up for an Amazon Associates account, so it's definitely worth a shot. The next platform that you're going to take a look at is ClickBank. So ClickBank is a marketplace where people can sell their courses or services. Now, it's also a place where affiliates make money, but the difference is that ClickBank pays more than Amazon. So another difference is that ClickBank doesn't sell any physical products, so all the products promoted are digital. Some affiliates are able to make a 75% commission on here, so it really is a great earning opportunity. All you need to do to get started is sign up, look for a product to promote, share your links, and then start earning a commission. It's super simple, so you should get started as soon as you can. Now, platform numero 5 is Flippa.com. Now, if you don't know what Flippa.com is, it's a marketplace to buy and sell online businesses. It's basically a place where people that have successful e-commerce sites, Shopify stores, Amazon FBA accounts, and stuff like that come to sell their businesses. If you happen to be great at developing websites or starting online businesses, then this is a great site for you to use. You can start up a site or online business and sell it on here for some really good money. Now, if you're on the other hand of the transaction and happen to have some money that you can invest, then Flippa is also a great place for you to look. These sites and stores are already established, and when you purchase them, then you can start making money for something that you didn't even have to start. So you basically skip the whole growing pains phase. This site works like eBay, so basically the person that bids the highest for the business is the one that gets it. It's pretty much like an auction.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Alrighty, so now we're on to the next platform number 6, which is Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a place where people buy and sell pictures, music, and video clips. The digital products that are sold on here are mostly created by freelancers who get paid to share their work, and if you happen to have any skills creating these digital products, then this is a great place for you to sell your work. Every time that someone purchases something that you've created, you earn a commission. So the best way to make the most out of this platform is to constantly upload, and then once you have content up, it becomes a passive source of income. Now, platform number 7 is a site called Rover. If you happen to love animals, then this is a platform for you. Unfortunately for now, this site is only available in the US and Canada, but they might expand soon, so just keep checking the site. On Rover, you can make money from dog sitting or walking dogs. You can easily make $100 just for watching a dog overnight, and you can make thousands of dollars in no time with this platform. It's a really good platform to try out if you have a knack for animals. Now we're on to platform number 8, which is a site called takelessons.com. This is a website where you can get paid to teach a skill. You're bound to be good at something, right? Well, whatever you're good at, you can teach on here and start making money for it. It's a really great way to make some extra cash. Are you ready for platform number 9? Great. So this next platform is Fiverr. If you've ever gotten into freelancing, then you're probably familiar with the site. This is a really good place for freelancers to be able to sell their services, and there are a lot of different types of services that people sell on Fiverr, like logo design, Photoshop editing, product design, animation, and many more. This is a really easy site to get started on, which is why so many people use it, and it is also a great place to sell services because of all the traffic you can get on here. So how are we doing so far? It's a lot to take in, but now we are finally on our last platform for today. Now, this isn't a particular platform, but it is a way to make money online, and that is dropshipping. This is actually pretty easy to do because you don't handle any actual products. Instead, you act as a middleman and market products that you then order to be shipped to customers. The upside to doing this is that you don't need to have any warehouses or storage for your goods. So one way to do this is to set up a Shopify store and then have it tie in with Overlow. Overlow is an app that you can sign up for to find products to market, and once you sell products, the manufacturer sends it straight to the customer. You sell the product for a lot more than it's actually worth though, so you're able to make a profit. A lot of people use this business model and it's a tried and tested method. If you want to get started with dropshipping, there are a lot of tutorials here on YouTube that you can watch that give you some really good tips. Anywho, those are all of the online platforms I have to share with you today, and I hope you learned something new.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.